So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to redeem a gift card here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, what I want you to do is to actually go to the top right here to where it says gift cards and go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead to where it says Etsy gift cards right here, where it says redeem your Etsy gift card. Go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're on this screen, it's pretty straightforward. You can view your current balance and your credit. You can go ahead also and type in your gift card code. So if your code is, let's just say code 12345, you can go ahead and press redeem and then redeem it into your account this way, and then your balance will show up above. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to redeem a gift card on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.